If you're over 65 and still doing this, you could be cutting years off your life. Here's what to avoid. It's no secret, but as we get older, our bodies don't always bounce back as quickly, and certain habits can start to have a much larger impact on our health. But what if one common daily activity could be silently shaving years off your life? For those over 65, there's one surprising lifestyle choice that could significantly impact longevity: leading a sedentary lifestyle. Even though it's easy to fall into a more relaxed routine as the years go by, research shows that extended periods of sitting or low activity levels are linked to numerous health risks that can reduce lifespan and quality of life. The hidden risks of sitting too much, sitting for prolonged periods, whether watching TV, working on hobbies, or simply resting, may seem harmless, but experts reveal that it's anything but. Studies show that too much sitting can lead to an array of health problems, including heart disease, diabetes, reduced muscle strength, and even cognitive decline. Over time, it contributes to poor circulation, increased inflammation, and decreased metabolism, all of which can be especially harmful in later years. In fact, a study published in German network Open found that seniors who sit for long hours daily are at a much higher risk of early death compared to their more active counterparts. Why moving more can transform your health after 65. The good news: a small increase in movement can make a big difference. Experts emphasize that regular physical activity, even just slight movement, can counteract many of the negative effects of sitting. Activities like walking around the house, gardening, or doing light stretching can boost circulation, help maintain muscle mass, and improve mental clarity. And you don't need to start an intense exercise routine. Simply incorporating brief, frequent movement into your day can make all the difference. How to easily add more movement into your routine. If adding more activity sounds challenging, don't worry. Here are some simple yet effective ways to break up sedentary time and promote longevity. Set a timer to move. Set an hourly reminder to stand up and stretch, or take a quick walk around your living space. Try seated exercises. If standing is challenging, seated exercises can be a fantastic alternative. Arm raises, leg lifts, or chair squats can keep your muscles engaged. Incorporate social activities. Joining a walking club or a local class can make movement more enjoyable and keep you socially connected. Do household chores. Everyday activities like tidying up, cooking, or gardening provide natural opportunities to move. The secret benefits of staying active. If you're over 65, take this as a gentle reminder. A few extra minutes of movement every day could mean a world of difference for your health and happiness. By making it a priority to break up sitting time, you're investing in a longer, more fulfilling life.